Textronics here again. Hope you're enjoying our little show. I'd like to show you another reel here. This is a reel of 500 cable, armored, top of the line, black exterior, white interior. About 2,400 feet. This will do any job that you want it to do. Top of the line. Now this one here was $1,499.99. That's $1,400.99. Forget that price. Special price this week, $9.99 per foot. Now check this out. Come on down here and check this out, because this, like I say, this is a special price. Deferred payment price would be $23,976. But don't worry about that. We got an easy payment plan for y'all to come in. And you just remember, come on down or call collect BR549. Remember that number to call is BR549. Now y'all go back and watch that movie and have a real good time.